My name is Bhavesh Madhukar Jhende. I did my qualification in TYBSIT from Hinduja College. In this world of getting jobs, it is difficult to find a job, but Quastech Institute helps to free placements for external students also. As I am an external student, I attended the drives of Quastech from jobs at the rate Quastech, which is a Facebook page. I got the same information from this platform, which was an interview which was held on 12 June 2019. Before attending this interview, they give me job description, all the details very properly. Before attending this interview, they give me some important tips for HR round. They polished the technical round also, and enable resume updating also. This helped me as an good point of view for attending the interview and to crack the interview. So after I got selected in this interview, I got selected through Quastech Institute. So I am very much thankful for the Quastech Institute. I recommend you personally to join this institute for your making a good career in IT and for your bright future. Thank you Quastech for getting me placed in a good company and the team of Quastech. Thanks a lot Quastech.